Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel, and in this video we're gonna take a look at DriftArt 3. Finally it has reached the version 3, so I want to share this unboxing moment with you. Now let us open the box and see what's inside. So this is the DriftArt 3S. The website, and the page is still on the DriftArt 2, but anyway, so inside we have a very well organized box. So as far as I know, this is going to be a better chassis, because of course it's going to be better, but it's gonna be a better chassis to build, because they have improved from the previous version, that now it is going to be made of aluminum. So it is not going to be like a sandwich of the carbon fiber plates to make a suspension or anything. So it's just gonna be a proper kit car, not just like a DIY project like before. So as you can see, this one is the rear part. Now it is an aluminum plate like this, and we have the front assembly. This is for, now I can see the servo horn in here, and the offset adjustable shaft. Basically you can just get one set of wheels, and then you can adjust the offset by putting the shims inside this shaft. That's very nice. So there's a suspension and rear gearbox. So the gearbox is also different than before. It is a little bit difficult to see, so I'm gonna open it up. This will be 1/4 part. Right, here it is. Now look at this gearbox. It is different than before. And next, the rear shock tower is the same as the 2.6. The pulley is also looks like the same as well. Next we have another pulley. All the bolt heads and linkages, and here it is. This is the front part of the chassis. I want to show you this because in the previous versions this was 3 carbon fiber plates and sandwiched together to hold the shaft in, but this time it's a proper kit car. It is made of aluminum, and then the arms are inserted inside. So as you can see, it is really smooth, free moving, and has little to no play in it. So that's really good. And you can see all the indicators. So when we set the servo, we can set it easier this way, because it has the indicator printed on the chassis. So this looks like a much better car than before as well. The design is kind of peaked already, but it is like it should be easier to build, hopefully. And the QR code for you to scan and get the manual online. And of course, this is DriftArt, so it comes with a set of tools as well. We have the hex, screwdriver, a tweezer, and a file. Hopefully we don't have to file anything much with this chassis. So basically it is an improved chassis to make it easier to build. There's the front plate, this let's open it up and see the rear plate. Right, so here's how they go together. So we have the front, the rear, and then it slides in here. Wow, okay, so that is really good. The construction feels really solid, smooth, and the tolerance is really good. Wow, okay, so this should be an interesting car to build. Well, as always, because DriftArt has always been pretty well, I'm not gonna say it's the most fun to build. Sometimes it's quite frustrating, but this should improve a lot of things on this chassis, on the DriftArt chassis. So I'm really looking forward to find a time to build this. Once again, thanks as always for watching, and see you again next time.